The Marco Polo is the Swiss Army knife of camping vehicles. Today we remove the tap of the sink unit. Start by protecting the floor with a suitable cover. First, remove the drawer. You can easily unclip this at the bottom and on the side. Now disconnect the electrical connector. For the next step, loosen the clamp and the hose of the water line. Put a container underneath to catch any water. With a suitable tool, loosen the attachment of the tap. You can now remove it. Check the sealing ring carefully and replace it if necessary. Once the tap is back in place, perform a leak test. That looks dry. Now install the drawer and the Marco Polo is ready for that trip.